In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Slack Workspace Analytics data. So if you want to download any data, maybe members data, channel data, or overall analytics data, then it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Slack Workspace. And once you're here, head over to your workspace name and click on this drop down arrow. From this, look for the option called Tools and Settings, and under it, go ahead and select Workspace Settings under Settings. Now, if you click on this, it will take you to Settings tab, and from this, you can see under Account, we have Analytics. So if you click on Analytics, now here, you will be able to see the general overview of your Slack Workspace Analytics data, and you can go ahead and choose various parameters such as overview channels, and this will give you the channel data as well as members, and you can see here the members analytics data. Now, should you want to export any of this, just go ahead and first click on the data type. For instance, if I want to export or download channels data and share it with your team, you can just go ahead and click on channels, and under here you'll be able to see the data per each channel. If you want to download members data, you can also do the same here. So once you have chosen the parameter, go ahead and click on export. Now this will go ahead and start exporting your data, and you can see the data has been generated and it has been sent to me. So if you go back and click on activity, you should be able to see your report here under Slackbot, and here you'll be able to see your data that has just been generated. Now to download it, go ahead and click on more options here, and now if you go ahead and click on it, you will see your data will be downloaded, and now I have it here, and mine is in form of Excel. And now if I open it, you can see we have the data that I have just downloaded here. So that's how you can download and share analytics data from your Slack workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.